Hello, this is Anne from Riotouch. Today I will introduce how to use Ufile. We have internal storage and cloud platform storage like Google, OneDrive, Yandex could be combined.
Log in, and OU card save files will appear here. Just tap here. You can have your online preview. We have a cloud of our own developed called DMS. 5G free storage for you to use. Type quick share, then import to generate a QR code. Press the file, tap share. 3 or 7 days available for downloading. Scan the QR code to share or download files from iFPD to your phone. Simply tap the file type PDF, PPT, Word, Excel, etc. Pictures can be set as backgrounds. File can be inserted into the whiteboard. You could even have AI analyze these files. AI knowledge base to enable QA based on your uploaded material. Okay, that's enough for the Ufile introduction. Thank you for watching.